Hello there, Hotel GM. Can we talk about staff training for a moment? Let's see if we got this straight. Right now, you pull staff out for training and pay them for their time. But when they're alone with guests, things get lost in translation and they miss out on sales opportunities. But what if you could turn this into this for a fraction of your current training costs? How? QCO puts the best hospitality training solutions in the palm of your hand, literally. Mobile use is huge among millennials, so we take advantage of this devotion to devices with engaging training tools that feel more like games than lessons. QCO provides advanced interactive language and learning tools in both English and Mandarin Chinese that staff can access from their own phones and tablets anytime, anywhere, so they can have fun learning at their own pace. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Pre- and post-test scores of staff using QCO show consistent performance improvements across all regions, with many users showing over 50% improvement. And that leads to many benefits, including better staff retention, because well-trained employees are happier and more engaged to deliver confident, attentive service and maximize upselling opportunities. Whether it's selling relaxation at the spa, food and beverages in restaurants and rooms, or placing guests in the more premium suites that often stay vacant, which all adds up to better sales for you. QCO Mobile Training has no servers, routers, or disruptive classes to organize. Your staff simply downloads our app to their smartphone or tablet, and away they go. But it's also a great tool for you. Our real-time analytics let you monitor staff progress to offer a curriculum to suit every role in every department. And when the whole team is doing great, you get better guest ratings that attract more and more business. In an increasingly competitive hotel market, QCO Mobile Training is the difference between a good reputation and a great one. So visit us right now at qco.com.